Hey guys, welcome back. Now I would like to focus on this lecture because we will cover the most fundamental concept for your exams, and this concept is the thread. A thread is actually defined as the execution path of a program. Each thread defines a unique flow of control. So you should remember that a thread is defined as the execution path of a program, and each thread defines a unique flow of control. So if your application involves complicated and time-consuming operation, then it is very helpful to set different execution paths or threads where each thread will perform a very particular job. Threads are actually lightweight processes. One very basic example of using threads is the implementation of concurrent programming by modern operation systems. So this means that actually we could have, I will go back right here because I will need the space right here. So imagine that we have a huge program and there are a lot of commands right here, and I am not using threads, so I have commands right here, right here, right here, right here, a lot of commands, and each command executes a specific task. Task 1, task 2, task 3, task 4, etc. So I have command 1, command 2, command 3, etc. So while I am executing all these commands, I'm sorry for this. So while I'm executing all these commands, actually think about having something very heavy right here. So something very heavy, very time consuming, very hard to be processed, then the whole execution of the program will stop right here, and this will be executed after this command, this task, this method is executed. So if I'm going to have a single thread, then I will have this difficulty. However, instead of having a single thread, I can have multi-threading. This means that I could have a lot of threads right here that could be processed in parallel or not in parallel. So I could have this one. This will actually execute in parallel, so I have thread 1, thread 2, thread 3, thread 4. Thread 4 will be executed after thread 1. So I have right here thread 4, and maybe here thread 5. So instead of having one single thread, I could have a lot of threads right here. So this is multi-threading. Okay, so threads are lightweight processes. We can write the programs where a single thread right here runs as a single process, which is actually the running instance of the application. However, this way the application can perform one task, one job at a time. This actually could be divided into a lot of smaller threads. So this is what I would like to remember, that each program could be divided into smaller threads.